everyone. Grabe, napaka-excited ko kasi meron naman ako mga inquiries, tsaka of course meron namang nag-register sa aking website, which is really good. At the moment guys, habang hindi pa ako nag-start ng work, I will answer some inquiries na in the business. Upo-upo lang muna tayo dito habang nag-aantay ng work, just killing the time and do something. And if you have questions, guys, message nyo lang me. Today, meron kaming live webinar again. But anyway, guys, see, kahit nandito ako sa work, pag may time ako, nakapag-access pa rin ako sa aking business. Kahit konti na lang yung time. That's the good thing about this business, no? Talagang portable siya. Pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit hindi ka pa mag-start ng work, lalo na sa mga nurses na nag-work ng hospital or kahit saan man. O, diba? Guys, so excited.